Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have legitimate access and the workbook password. This prevents data loss and legal issues. Once confirmed, open Excel and load the encrypted file so settings are accessible. Make sure to create a backup immediately. Use Save As and append backup because removing encryption modifies file metadata. Once done, go to File, then Info to reveal the Protect workbook or Encrypt with password option. You need that dialog to start the removal process. You now perform the core action. Remove the password in the Encrypt dialog so Excel stops encrypting the file. Open File, Info, Protect workbook, then choose Encrypt with password. Clear the password box entirely and click OK. This tells Excel to save the workbook without encryption metadata. Once done, make sure to inspect each worksheet. If sheet protection remains, use Review Unprotect Sheet and enter the sheet password. Finally, save the workbook to commit the change. Finish by saving the workbook normally and then verifying file info no longer shows encryption. This confirms success. If you do not know the password, you must use owner recovery methods, authorized password managers, or consult IT. Do not attempt unapproved hacks. If the file becomes corrupted after changes, use Excel's Open and Repair, or restore the backup copy you created at the start. Make sure to document changes for future auditing and access control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.